Welcome to the top best. The best travel bottles is probably one of the most essential items for any traveler, offering a convenient and organized way to carry your favorite toiletries and liquids without the hassle of full-sized containers, ensuring you have everything you need for your journey while adhering to airline regulations and preventing messy leaks in your luggage. Number 5. Travel Bottles Kit, 16-pack. Introducing our 16-piece Travel Bottles Kit, designed to make packing your toiletries a breeze. This TSA-approved set ensures you can bring all your essentials without any hassle. Never worry about spills again. Our bottles feature a leak-proof design to protect your luggage and clothes. The unique ball shape ensures you use every last drop. Filling and cleaning are simple with the wide mouth design. It's perfect for thicker liquids and allows for thorough cleaning with the included brush. The no-drip valve on the cap ensures you dispense just the right amount of product every time. Say goodbye to messy applications and wasted product. All your travel-sized toiletries are neatly organized in a compact zipper bag. This lightweight and portable set saves space and is perfect for any trip. With a variety of containers including bottles, jars, and sprayers, you can customize your set for any beauty product or cosmetic. Bring exactly what you need, nothing more, nothing less. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of containers for all your needs. Its wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning a breeze. If you need to pack a range of different liquids and creams, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The rubber squeeze tubes are high quality and are really easy to fill. You can squeeze the air out as you use the liquids in there, saving more space. Tons of container options. Everything is TSA carry-on compliant, 3 ounces or less. The silicone bottles are soft, squeezable, and completely leak-proof, which gives me total peace of mind when packing. Number 4. Travel Bottles Kit, 16-pack. Introducing our 16-piece Travel Bottles Kit, designed for your convenience. This complete set includes everything you need for toiletries on the go. Travel with peace of mind. Our containers are TSA approved and feature a leak-proof design to protect your belongings. Bring a variety of beauty products and cosmetics with ease. The diverse containers allow you to customize your travel essentials. The wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Easily pour thicker liquids and ensure thorough cleaning with the included brush. Our bottles feature a no-drip valve, preventing leaks and ensuring you dispense just the right amount every time. All accessories are packed in a handy bag, saving space in your luggage. It's perfect for travel, vacation, plane trips, and camping. What we like. Enjoy peace of mind with its excellent leak-proof design, protecting your belongings. The wide mouth ensures easy filling and cleaning of all your toiletries. If you prioritize a mess-free travel experience and convenience, this set is ideal. What people say. The rubber squeeze tubes are high quality and are really easy to fill. You can squeeze the air out as you use the liquids in there, saving more space. Plenty of container options for all your toiletry needs. Everything is TSA carry-on compliant, 3 ounces or less. TSA compliant clear container so you don't need a quart-sized Ziploc. Bunch of different peel and stick labels to label what you've got in each container. The silicone bottles are soft, squeezable, and completely leak-proof, which gives me total peace of mind when packing. I love that everything is TSA approved, so I can take them in my carry-on without worrying at airport security. The labels and clear bag make it super easy to stay organized. Number 3. Kitsch 11 PCS Travel Containers for Toiletries. Introducing the Ultimate Travel Essential Kit. This set includes everything you need to pack your favorite toiletries without any hassle. Never worry about spills or airport security again. These containers are TSA approved and designed to be completely leak-proof, keeping your belongings safe. Save space and reduce waste with these convenient refillable bottles. Easily transfer your favorite shampoos, conditioners, and lotions for on-the-go use. Available in a chic black and ivory design, these containers are as stylish as they are practical. They are perfect for all your travel-sized toiletries. This 11-piece set ensures you have all the necessary containers for your journey. Pack smart and travel light with this essential kit. What we like. This kit is TSA approved, making airport security a breeze. It features a reliable leak-proof design to prevent spills. If you're looking for essential travel items that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, this set is a great option. What people say. The bottles are made of soft silicone, making them easy to squeeze. They come with labels for different liquids, which is very convenient. The leak-proof design prevents any spills during travel. Number 2. 18 PCS TSA approved travel bottle set. Introducing our 18-piece travel bottle set, designed for your convenience. These are TSA approved and leak-proof, ensuring a mess-free journey. Worry less about spills with our unique strap protection. It prevents accidental opening, keeping your toiletries secure during transit. This comprehensive set includes various sizes of bottles, jars, and accessories, all neatly packed in a compact travel bag. It's the perfect travel-size toiletry solution. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these containers are built to last. They are durable, flexible, and can withstand cabin pressure. Whether you're heading for a business trip, vacation, or the gym, these containers are your ideal companion. They fit easily into any small space. The wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning a breeze. You can easily take your favorite products without the bulk of large bottles. What we like. The unique strap protection ensures caps stay securely closed, preventing leaks even with vigorous shaking. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, these bottles are built to last. If you need robust and reliable containers that can withstand the rigors of travel, this set is for you. What people say. The bottles are squeezable, making it easy to use every last drop, and the set includes plenty of sizes to fit all my essentials. The bottles come with a little strap that slides over the flip top to secure it from accidental opening, which is brilliant. The squeeze bottles in particular are really cool. That little bandage strap to secure lock the cap closed and the lid on it killer and actually works perfectly. I tried to squeeze the full bottle over my sink. LOL, very hard and it didn't budge. Same when I tried flipping the cap open. Like, I don't see these opening at all and I'm going to have this bag getting thrown around a tour van for weeks and weeks on end, so being confident in that is pretty a high compliment. Number 1. Morfone 16-pack travel bottle set. Introducing the Morfone 16-pack travel bottle set, your ideal solution for carrying toiletries on the go. This versatile set comes with everything you need for your beauty products and personal care items. Travel with peace of mind. These containers are TSA approved and designed to be completely leak-proof, ensuring your luggage stays dry and your essentials are secured during flights. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these bottles are soft, flexible, and easy to squeeze. Unlike rigid plastic, they offer a comfortable and durable experience for all your liquids. Refilling and cleaning are a breeze thanks to the wide opening design. You can easily fill them with lotions, shampoos, and conditioners, and the included brush makes cleaning simple. All accessories are neatly packed in a handy bag, making them incredibly lightweight and portable. They fit easily into any bag, saving space and making them perfect for any trip. This comprehensive set includes bottles, jars, spray bottles, tools, and a convenient storage bag. It's the ultimate travel accessory for toiletries, ensuring you have variety and convenience. What we like. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these bottles are safe and soft to the touch. The wide opening makes refilling and cleaning incredibly simple. If you value health, convenience, and sustainability in your travel accessories, this reusable set is an excellent choice. What people say. I shook them up a lot after filling them to check for leaks, and squeezed them with the cap closed and nothing leaked. Then I flew with them in my checked luggage and still no leaks. The bottles are soft in nature, and some may choose a slightly firmer bottle. For arthritic hands, these bottles are perfect. The jars are solid and airtight. Each jar comes with a spatula for easy product retrieval. The bottles are genuinely leak-proof, I've tested them thoroughly. Great variety of sizes for all toiletries. The silicone material is durable and squeezable. Labels make organization easy. BPA-free and safe. Easy to fill and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.